How to add reminders in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open app library and then click on productivity and finance, and then click on reminders and click on add new reminders, and here give you reminder name, take medicine, and click on this info icon, and here you can add date or time and set a time for your medicine, and after that clicking on done, and again click on this and click on info icon and click on repeat, and repeat your medicine daily, and after that and end repeat, click on end repeat and end repeat date, and you can select your end repeat date. So after selecting that end repeat date, your reminder will be end your date. So this is the way to set daily reminder in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.